Now we discuss about the software engineering subject requirement, software requirements and estimation. Previous class we completed up to software requirements and estimation, requirement gathering, up to requirement gathering, fact finding is over, requirement elicitation in this one. The requirement gathering we discussed, it consists of creating a wish list for the each user category across the all levels of the user community, classifying the wish list according to functional, non-functional environment design constraints. These needs of requirement are verified against the overall objectives of the target system expressed during the fact finding. Next one is evaluation. Here the requirements have been gathered, need to be evaluated to resolve the inconsistencies and also understand why the requirement has to be stated. This is done in the evaluation task. In this task always need to do the following. The evaluation task we need to do these following steps. For every experiment X, get the answers of questions why do we need X. For every requirement, why do we need the requirement, like that we test. Convert any requirement stated as a how to into corresponding what is required, how the requirement is there and what it is required. Capture the rationale to support the future requirements. Perform the risk assessment, feasibility and cost benefit analysis considering the technical and cost scheduling concerns. We evaluate all these tasks for the requirement. Risk assessment is also performed to address the technical and cost and schedule concern. So next one is prioritization. So in this task, the criticality of the each requirement with respect to the mission is to be determined. The prioritization criticality is to be determined. The requirements are to be prioritized based on the cost and dependency. It includes the study of how this requirement is to be incremented, identification, appropriate architecture models, and support incremental development. Requirement prioritization is crucial to incremental, spiral, and evolutionary development models. The requirements are typically prioritized based on the cost, dependency, and user needs, knowing the rationale behind each requirement helping to deciding the priority. This is called as a prioritization. So next class we discuss about the consolidation and requirements elicitation techniques, all these things. So subscribe to my channel. So today's class evaluation over and prioritization is over of the requirement elicitation technique.